We love our gadgets, don't we? Smartphones, laptops, tablets. They're like extra limbs these days. But here's the thing. Our brains weren't quite designed for this non-stop digital world. All that screen time, it can mess with our sleep, our eyes, and even our moods. Think about it. Ever stayed up late scrolling through social media only to wake up feeling groggy and anxious? Or maybe you've gotten to the end of a Netflix binge with a side of guilt and eye strain. Yeah, we've all been there. Section 2. Screen Time SOS. When your phone is your frenemy, it's a constant companion, but not always a friendly one. Here's the deal. Too much screen time can be seriously bad news for our mental health. We're talking about more than just tired eyes. We're talking anxiety, depression, difficulty focusing, the works. It's like our minds are constantly under siege, and those constant notifications, they don't help. They keep us on edge, always waiting for the next interruption. It's like our brains are stuck on high alert, waiting for the next ping or buzz. This constant state of alertness is exhausting. Plus, let's be real, comparing ourselves to everyone's perfectly filtered lives online, it's a never-ending cycle of self-doubt. It's a recipe for feeling inadequate and stressed out. We start to believe that our lives aren't good enough. We start chasing likes instead of living our best lives. Not cool. It's time to rethink our relationship with our phones. Section 3. Digital Detox. Hit the reset button on your brain. So, what's the solution? Digital detox time. It's about taking a step back from our screens and immersing ourselves in the world around us. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, it can be incredibly refreshing and liberating. It's simply about finding a healthier balance with technology. By reducing our screen time, we can improve our mental well-being and overall happiness. Think of it like a cleanse for your brain. Just as our bodies need a break from unhealthy foods, our minds need a break from constant digital stimulation. By taking a break from our devices, we give our minds a chance to rest, recharge, and reconnect with the real world. This can lead to increased creativity and better focus. We can focus on things that truly matter, like spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, and engaging in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment, or simply enjoying the present moment. Embrace the beauty of life without the constant buzz of notifications. Section 4. Practical tips for a healthier tech life. Ready to ditch the digital overload? It's time to take control of your tech habits and reclaim your peace of mind. Here's the plan. Set boundaries. Start by scheduling tech-free times during your day. No phones at the dinner table, no scrolling in bed. You get the idea. Ditch the notifications. Turn off those constant alerts that keep you glued to your screen. Seriously, do you need to know every time someone comments on a cat video? Create tech-free zones. Designate areas in your home where devices are not allowed. Make your bedroom a phone-free sanctuary. This will help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Your sleep will thank you. Schedule in offline activities. Plan regular breaks from screens to engage in other fulfilling activities. Read a book, go for a walk, call a friend. The possibilities are endless. Remember, you're in control. You have the power to decide how and when to use technology. Take charge of your tech use and set limits that work for you. Watch your mental health blossom as you find balance. Important note: this essay is for informational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice. If you're struggling with your mental health, don't hesitate to seek help. Please reach out to a medical professional. They can provide the support and guidance you need. You can also check out resources like MyHomeDoc Telehealth, www.myhomedoc.care, for convenient and affordable online healthcare options. Take care of yourself and your tech habits.